Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit your mobile site on Wix. Let's get started. So right now, we are in the desktop site. To edit your mobile site, simply switch the mobile view. Here is the option, mobile view. After clicking that, it will switch to a mobile view. See, it's here like this. This might take a moment, so let's wait for the page to load. As you can see, the mobile layout may look out of proportion compared to the desktop version. Don't worry, you can adjust everything here to make it look just right. See, I can edit it. To fix this, just click and drag the elements to reposition them. You can resize text, images, and other components so everything fits perfectly on mobile. You can also add new elements to the mobile site by clicking on the add to mobile here. You can add things like text, images, buttons, and more. Another cool feature is the option to change the mobile background and add new pages for site. You will find this option under the settings. Once you have made all your changes, just click publish here to save your site. And that's how you edit the mobile site on Wix. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. See you next time.